everyone, it's Cash here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a one-way glass in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First things first, we are going to create a wall to put our glass on. Make it like that high. Then we will make the actual glass itself. Now it's not actually going to be glass on this end. So what we're going to do is we're just going to change our move increment to 0.5, and then we're going to scale it like that. And what we're going to do here is we're going to change the transparency of this to 0.1, or actually just do 0.01. And what that's going to do is make it semi-transparent. Now if you want, you can duplicate it to make sure there's no transparency whatsoever. So I'm going to do that right now. And what we're going to do is we're just going to make it an illusion so we can make that brick so it just looks like a classic wall. And nobody would suspect anything otherwise. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to create a glass pane right here. Make it, blue. And then make sure this is really important, make sure you select the glass texture. Okay, and then make the transparency 0.5 or 6 or whatever. And actually, it seems like the higher or the lower you do the actual, what is it? Right here, you have to make the transparency just a little bit, a little bit bigger. Because if you do it too low, it won't work. So you have to do like 0.05. That works. And then we can make this, actually, we can make this like anything that's not 0. Or anything that's not 1. And it will work just like normal. So as you can see, it's glass, and boom, there you go. That's literally your see-through wall. And if you want to add more, like if you want to add separate ones, all you have to do is take these two parts and copy them and paste them around. But the thing is that no matter what, no matter what you use for this part, you have to have it at least a little bit transparent. Like, I could get rid of that and it'd be fine, but it has to just be semi-transparent for it to work. But, if you're playing a game where it only allows you to do like 25% or like 0.25, like this, you have to do the math where it's just completely 1%. So you're just trying to get it to cancel out, basically. And right here it cancels out. So yeah, here's the glass texture. And also, if you scale it down, you get this really cool illusion where like it's just a wall that you can see through. And if you put it like this, you can see through the wall too, and it just completely gets rid of it, kind of like a 4-dimension thing, which is really cool, I think. And if we just scale this back, we have a literal spy room. And what I recommend doing, turning your move increment off, doing that, and it just looks like nothing was there. It's just a completely empty space, and it's really cool. But what I like to do is just copy the size of each other and do that. Alright, well that's it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.